I'm seeing things in my head, like little sparks firing off. And it's not until the very last moment that those sparks tell me what on earth they mean.
I've never encountered anyone like this.
He absolutely blew my mind.
To scientists, this man is a gold mine. A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
This could be the linchpin that spawns off a new field of research.
Why are they all so excited?
Genius. It's not human.
Daniel Tammet claims that since he was 4 years old, he's been able to do huge calculations in his head. So in August 2002, we dropped by, armed with a calculator.
And you can't see this calculator that I've got here, can you?
We first asked Daniel to multiply 37 by itself 4 times.
Okay. 37 to the power of 4. One million.
Yeah.
874,161.
Amazing. Just to make sure that people say, well, perhaps you just know a few of these off by heart.
Okay.
Let me just choose another one.
Next, we asked him to divide 13 by 97.
0.1340206.
That's as far as my calculator goes.
Okay.
Brilliant.
185 567.
You're carrying on.
I'm carrying on. Do you want me to stop or?
How many points can you do it to?
100. Nearly 100.
At this point, we borrowed a computer that gave us the answer to 32 decimal places.
Okay, 0.1340206185567.
As he went on, every single number was correct. And he even surpassed the computer.
4, 6, 3, 9, 1, 7, 5, 2, 5.
You've reached the end of the computer. It's all 100% amazing. When you're pointing to the table and doing shapes with your fingers, what's going on there?
I'm seeing the numbers, but I'm not seeing them. It's strange. I'm seeing pictures, shapes and patterns. Almost like a square, like the texture of water, drops, ripples almost. Like something reflective. It's something you can look through, almost metallic, like bubbles. Like a half cloud. A bit like a flash.
It sounds preposterous, but if it's true, it blows away scientific theory. Daniel's brain seems to be doing something almost magical. It appears to be doing math without him actually having to think. As if this wasn't enough, Daniel was also a wizard with words.
Mi chiamo Daniel, per alguna ragione,
He knows 9 languages and says he could learn to speak a new one in just a week. How can Daniel do such enormous calculations in his head? And is it really possible to learn a language in just 7 days? Currently a freelance tutor, Daniel has agreed to be tested by scientists and will also be calling his bluff. Without warning, we'll give him a week to master a totally new language before going live on national television. But our journey begins in Oxford. In March 2004, Daniel took us by surprise with a dazzling memory stunt.
The ambition is to remember pi to 22,500 decimal places and to recite it in a live environment with invigilators who will be checking and making sure, obviously, that the recitation is correct from start to finish.
Pi is the circumference of a circle, divided by its diameter. It's a number with no pattern that seems to be infinite. Daniel reckoned he could reel off the first 22,500 decimal places without a mistake. 2 hours later, and Daniel is barely halfway.
Absolutely staggering. It's so beautiful to listen to the flow of numbers. It's beautiful to see the concentration. It's always amazing to be in front of one of the world's extraordinary persons.
399520614994.
It's almost religious. Quiet recitation of numbers. It's mesmerizing.
567091105172102874874819990.
After 5 hours and 9 minutes, Daniel is nearing the finish line. His recall has been flawless.
3587.
Finished, yeah.